What do you think is the best way for like safety, maintenance, reliability teams to work together? Is there a good, easy way?
Yeah, I mean, I definitely think that it has to be collaborative. It has to be emotional. It cannot be driven by a regulation or a piece of paper or even some KPI. It really has to be a very inclusive relationship and environment and team. And the way I view safety is the way I protect my kids. Like it's instinctual. And I train them to understand how to mitigate risks and how to stay away from dangerous situations because I really, really care. And they see I care and they trust me. And so that trust, that emotional attachment, that culture of mom to daughter to son and the protection around it, it's very organic and natural where you see all the time in the industrial space the conflict, the opposition, the conflict. It's almost driving the opposite of what we're trying to achieve. And so I'd like to see that turn around and it be much more cohesive and collaborative.
And in the same vein with kids analogy, I don't have kids yet, but I could imagine, Christine, that there is this like push for obviously keeping them safe, but also push for, wanting to see them push the boundaries of what's possible too. And
what I say to them is see something, say something, ask, speak up. And if you have a thought or you have an idea, don't be afraid to speak your mind. Don't be afraid to say, wait a minute, that doesn't look right. Or why don't we try it this way? It's breeding curiosity and confidence that you're okay to speak up, regardless if you're here or, you're a new hire or you're an intern, whatever it is, or you're a 5-year-old. Speak up, ask questions, be very curious.